Today's an exciting day. I got 2 packages in the mail. We're all familiar with this purple packaging. Can't wait to open it. So after checking the mail earlier, I had fallen asleep. I'm awake now. What was in the mail was a package from Beastpants. We're all familiar with the purple packaging. I really dig it. I'm super excited to use these decks because the only one I was able to get a hold of is this one that I had grabbed off of eBay. So I'm really happy that I got some new ones. So the reason why there's 2 packages is I was in such a hurry to get this order through that I realized after the order was placed, I forgot the 2 decks that are in this package because these do sell out fast. So we'll move this one aside because I know that one does have 2 decks. This is the main package, so let's check it out. So here I got the Coffee Phantom, Beast logo, and the First Right. These are all 34mm in the feral shape. So the other 2 in here are the domesticated Beastpants and the Coffee Phantom. I wanted one of each. So that's what's in this package. We'll open that up in a bit. So this one was the main deck that I wanted. I really like this packaging. I really like this right here. Real wooden skateboards for tiny elves. Here's the top ply of it. This super bright red. It looks like it's a pinkish bottom ply down there. Here's the back of it. So let's get this open. No! I didn't want to tear it. Should have done this from the beginning. You know what? I got one. Oh, never mind. Got a sheet of grip tape. And the important part. Look at that. Super cool. Feral shape. Really excited to have this. So I do want to open up at least one of the other ones, but first let's get this second package open. So we got 3 domesticated and 3 of the feral. I already opened up this feral. Let's scoot these stickers. And let's check out the other graphics. So now that I opened up a feral, let's go ahead and open up one of these domesticated ones. Of course, got your sheet of grip tape. Now here's the domesticated one. So what the difference between the domesticated and the feral is the concave on them. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. There is a very, very light Beastpants like embossing on there. Kinda can see it with the light, with the glare. That's really cool. Also says it on the tail. I did not see that from the first glance to this point. No, not that I can tell. Kinda can make it out on the bottom right here. That's pretty neat. But yeah, so I'll hold these two up side by side so you can see the difference. This one's the domesticated and this one's the feral. So I was looking at these off camera, and with this feral, there is the pants logo, the Beastpants logo in the middle of it. And it's really, really faint, but I do see something on here. Not as well as this one. So we're gonna go ahead and open that other feral and see if this one has the same treatment. Oh yeah, there it is. Got your Beastpants down there. Got the pants right here. And there's the F. Awesome. Super cool. Really, really happy about that. So just a quick recap. These are the 3 decks that I got. These 2 are feral. This one's a domesticated. And then the top have these really cool little logos up top. There's 2 Fs for feral, and then there's the D for domesticated. The tail has Beastpants, and then in the middle, there's that Beastpants logo. It's hard to get it with the light. This one shows up a lot better than this one. I guess it was Decaf Coffee Phantom. But either way, super cool. I am really, really happy with these. From the packaging, the craftsmanship, the graphics, the ply colors, all great. And there's even a little dude up here. Rawr. So, thank you Beastpants. Really happy with this. Take it easy. Have a good one. Oh yeah. One last thing before we go. From my experience, it was pretty hard to get a hold of these. So if you ever get the opportunity to get one, get it while you can. So I decided to go with the Coffee Phantom, the silver dynamic trucks, and these Onyx geode wheels. And of course we'll be using the grip tape that they sent. So, quick cut. As I was about to get the file to grip this board, I remembered that I'm gonna use these. Still dynamic trucks. Only difference are these red and brown wheels from Peak. They are the Denali Slims.